Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand the data validation approach for the scenario 1. In the previous videos, we understood different scenarios based on where is the source, whether the RDBMS is in the same server or not, then whether testing team has access to the sources. Based on these three parameters, we derived different scenarios. Now, let us look at approaches. How do we approach data validation for those scenarios? First scenario, what we looked at is both source table and target table are on the same RDBMS database. Taking an example, assume source is also Oracle DB, target is also Oracle DB, and both of them are on the same database server. And as a tester, you have permission to both source table and target table. Given this scenario, how do you approach your data validation? Very simple. What you have to do is you have to apply the transformation logic on the source table. Now compare the results with the target table. For the comparison, you can use very simple except queries in SQL Server and minus queries in Oracle. This is the first scenario, which is very simple, and this is the approach to perform the data validation for this scenario. Awesome. Thank you.